Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video on a first clean or wash after ceramic coating on my 2023 F150 Ford Raptor. And this one has the 37 performance package on it. But I had it ceramic coated about almost 3-4 weeks ago, and we'll see how that coating has held up. I haven't washed it since, and it's quite dirty, so stay tuned. This time I'm planning on using some extension poles, just makes it easier. The one on the right, microfiber madness, I'll use that on all the painted surfaces. The squeegee on the left, that's going to be used to clean the windows. Plus that front windshield on the Raptor, it's kind of hard to reach. And the one in the middle, I'm going to use that one to dry the windows. And then I have different pads that I'm actually going to put on to use to apply the top coatings on the vehicle after I finish the wash. As always, I have my Kranzel pressure washing system set up. I use a 2-bucket system for washing. Rinse bucket. The red bucket there is actually for the wheels. So I'll be using these pads for the wheels. I use Adams Mega Foam, my foaming cannon. Then I try to do an air dry using this DeWalt blower. Okay, the first part of the wash is going to be the wheels. The wheels were also ceramic coated. So this is the first time I'm cleaning them. Looks pretty good. Look at the beading on the wheels. So really happy with how that coating looks and how it's performing. Just doing the pre-wash on the wheels now. Alright, now I'm going to hit the wheels with some foam. Okay, to complete the wheel wash, go ahead and rinse them off. So ceramic coating I think helped. You can see the water beading, so it should make drying a lot easier. Okay, as I mentioned before, the purpose of this video, kind of give a look at how the ceramic coating has performed. Truck was coated about a month ago. I used a Ceramic Pro Ion, was the product done by a local detail professional shop. So this is the first time actually using or cleaning the car after the ceramic coat, and the coating was applied to pretty much all the vehicle, including all the windows, wheels, plastic parts. So let's see how it looks with the water beading. So again, it's pretty dirty, but looking at the coating, there are beads, not necessarily tight beads, but you can tell there is a coating on the vehicle. So I'll see how the windshield looks. A little hard to tell, but it should make it easier with this coating, so more to come. Okay, foam time. Okay, you can definitely tell the effects of the ceramic coating. This foam tends to be very thick, and it will tend to stick to a painted surface. But as you can see, because of the slick nature of the ceramic coating, which by the way is on the windows as well, you can see the foam is not adhering as much, which I think is a good thing. So anyway, after this, the next step is to use a microfiber madness, and then rinse after that, and then apply the coatings, and we're done. Okay, finished foaming the car. I've already agitated it with the microfiber madness extension pole, and also used the extension pole to hit the glass as well. So now I'll rinse it. Okay, time to rinse. Also ceramic coated the top cover. You see the beading on the cover as well. So the coating is working there as well. Also did the underside of the wheels. Those are coated as well. Okay, rinse. Now to hit it with the blower. Okay, just finished hitting it with the air blower, and you can see a lot of water is off, so minimal need to touch the paint, but I will apply a topper on it next. So, but definitely a lot easier with the extended brushes. Okay, finished with the wash. Truck cleaned up pretty good after. This is the first wash after the ceramic coating. Had ceramic ion coating on the vehicle, and pretty happy. Seems to be working fine, and Avalanche Grey is such a easy color to deal with as well. Very forgiving. But that's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you appreciate the video. Take care and have a pleasant day. Bye.